In today's presentation, we will talk about the fixed operations courses offered by the Mike Molino RV Learning Center. Currently, the Learning Center has 5 fixed operations certifications with 4 online fixed operations courses, along with Service Writer Advisor, Parts Specialist, and Parts Manager. Warranty Administrator has recently been offered. Service Manager will be coming in early 2025. There is more to come with an online course for service managers in the pipeline. Training for this certification is still available in the Learning Center store as printed learning guides. Why consider fixed operations online training? Take a look at some of the best reasons. A Go RVing study several years ago found that the service advisor's performance had the single biggest effect on a customer's satisfaction with the dealership. Research indicates that another key area dealers need to focus on is managing customers' expectations by keeping them informed throughout the repair process. Take a look at some comments from recent participants. Developed in partnership with the Ohio State University's Center for Education and Training for Employment, the instructional materials help RV service management, parts, and warranty employees increase efficiency and reduce RECT. Fully interactive and easy to navigate, the Learning Center's online courses offer audio voiceover and numerous progress checks. Multiple sections on professionalism, inventory management, and customer service reinforce and drive home one of the top skill sets required of top-performing fixed operations personnel. The course concludes with a timed, comprehensive final assessment to test your knowledge and skills learned in the course. Here you can see instruction offered through the course. This course is great for new parts personnel, as well as for parts people looking to extend their education and become certified. It is recommended that parts managers take this course prior to taking the parts manager training as part of their management career path. The Parts Manager course is designed to help established parts management professionals expand their knowledge to better serve their customers and dealership teams with instruction on these topics. Now in its 5th year, the program is picking up momentum, with more than 750 service writers, advisors enrolling since the course launched. The Mike Molino RV Learning Center is here to help you build a team of top performers. The Service Writer Advisor online course offers the best and brightest ideas from RV industry service experts with instructions on these issues. The course will help new service writer advisors get the principle-based professional foundation they need to be successful, while those with more experience will benefit from being reminded of core principles needed to create confident and loyal customers. Not only developed with seat and industry dealership top performers, the Warranty Administrator course has input from OEM warranty specialists. This course will provide warranty concerns and process from both sides of the warranty process. Again, developed with seat, the Service Manager course also has input from industry dealership top performers. We are looking at spring 2025 for launch, only a few months away. Repair event cycle time, or RECT, or RECT, is the focus of a lot of attention. Well-trained and knowledgeable fixed ops people can reduce RECT by being more efficient at getting the right parts in the shortest period of time, being able to understand what's involved in making the repairs, properly handling warranty claims, working with other departments, and most of all, communicating. The Learning Center courses provide the training on the principles that make this happen. Certification provides acknowledgement that fixed ops people understand what it takes. Consumers expect and deserve updates, especially on repairs that are experiencing a long RECT. They expect the right parts fast, and they just want to enjoy their vehicle. If we give all our fixed operations employees the support they need, maybe we can keep more of our customers RVing and increase positive word of mouth for referral business. Follow your path and see what it takes to be a top performer. The RV Learning Center is working with these associations to help bring the training to members through special plans and pricing. Training from the Mike Molino RV Learning Center will help your employees get certified in their area of fixed operations employment. To become certified after the course, there is a separate exam and fee. Please contact us for more information or to sign up for training and certification. A new tool for fixed ops employees is the RV Fixed Ops Today app. Available in the Apple App Store and Google Apps, this app will give you a portal to the RV Fixed Ops Today online web magazine. On the app, you will find articles, recalls, and the RV Learning Center readiness tests. The readiness tests can be taken one time at no charge. The app is also free. Use the QR code to find it or go to RVDA in the App Store. Two more extremely useful tools for reducing RECT, the Service Management Guide and the RV Damage Repair Estimator. These products provide labor times for your service writers and technicians. You can use them to estimate repair costs for customers, and they provide markers for technicians when in the process of making repairs. Come check us out at the Mike Molino RV Learning Center. Thanks for watching.